Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to add sounds to your video on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your device and just open a project. New, if you want to add different sounds to your video, go to the lower bar and you can find the second option, the audio, at the lower left corner of the screen. Here you can find the first option, the sounds. Tap that and you can find different sounds in different thematics, for example fitness, hip-hop, beauty, travel, and just click to the Valentine, for example. And if you want to use a song, click to the download option and click to the plus button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.